Oh, there's a kingfish. Eden, there's a kingfisher on the lake. Stay still, stay still. Hey folks, welcome back to the farm. Today, something a bit different. We're on plunger duty. We've got a blockage.
I mean, I'm on plunger duty.
Yeah. It might have gone down a little bit, actually, looking at that.
See?
Anyway, stick around and let's get soggy feet.
Let's get soggy feet. Look at me, I've got...
We've just patched up our wellies with all sorts of tape and anyway.
Well, mine's only got a little bit of tape.
Suggestions for wellies. I'm not spending another 120 quid a year on boots. So this is the situation. It seems to have gone down since last week a little bit, but that water is running about...
Oh, that's high.
Yeah, it's where our feet are. So it's flowing over here. Half of that island is underwater. And therefore, we need to sort out the overflow. And we might have mentioned it in a previous video, but in here, somewhere, there is a pipe. It sits horizontally, there's a bit of mesh over it. And normally that sits at the top of the water, keeping it a constant flow. So you've got a constant level. So you've got the spring at the far end and overflow and groundwater coming in, and then it will always trickle through into the ditch behind us. When there's a blockage in that pipe, well, it stops flowing. That's what's happened now. We want to sort it because there's often nesting birds on that island and it's far too deep. It's coming through here. All these fence posts are going to get rotten, and well, you can see what the state of this ground is.
Yeah, the sheep are going to get foot rot.
The sheep will get foot rot, yeah. So somewhere under here where we're walking now is where the pipe is. And it comes through and between these trees into the ditch. And that's what you're doing now. Get over there.
The bag's ruined.
Huh? I know, but you didn't even touch it last time.
I know, but it was just there to help me, you know?
You go first and then I'll have a go, if needed.
All right, let's...
I should have brought a different lens, but she's over.
Yay.
We don't really use barbed wire on the farm, but this bit here where it's bordered a footpath, we thought we would.
Wait, this isn't our land?
That is, yeah.
Oh, thank goodness.
But we still seem to be losing a goat on a regular basis. So he's now in a different field, but somehow he's getting over here now, up onto that footpath and following walkers and their dogs, which confuses a lot of people. He even made the local Facebook group. So we've taken him back in, but it's a bit annoying because I thought this field was goat proof, if there is such a thing. Right, how are we doing? So that is the ditch.
I'm entangled.
It's
metal post.
A light trickle. Why did you go up so high? There's a gap right here.
No, because it's easier.
I'm coming over. Stay there, Max.
Oh, it's coming out way quicker, I kind of think.
I mean, it is flowing, but there could be 1 million litres more than needed in that.
1 million litres?
Well,
that's a little bit excessive, right?
I don't know. Maybe you need to do the maths.
I don't want any more maths.
It's what is it, an acre?
Okay.
No, it's not an acre.
I'm going to keep my foot that has the hole in up a bit, just in case.
Right.
Oh, does that look like more?
No, but remember, you need to really, really go for it, because once that starts gushing out, you won't be able to stand there anymore, because it'll get up to the top of your wellies. So you've only got one shot. Yeah.
No pressure again.
No pressure at all.
Oh.
So I think there's a collapsed
I've got a hole in the back of my welly.
But if you get enough of a flow, it kind of blasts through until it
got a hole in the back of my welly, guys.
That's refreshing.
It's not very refreshing because I've got welly socks on.
Go, 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 go. No. Your hand has to be touching the pipe.
Great.
Lower, lower, lower. That's it.
This is horrible.
Do you want to swap?
No.
Have a go with the big metal one.
Okay, hold that one, please. This one I have to get all the way in.
I mean, I have got drain rods, but you're going to have your hand in that water, I think.
Oh, great.
Yeah. That's it, you've hit something now. Smash it.
Yeah, it's not wanting to be smashed.
And you might have to change your angle a bit now and then.
Oh, what is this water? It looks really mucky.
Yeah, that's good. That's just soil where the collapsed pipe is.
Great.
But once you blast through that soil, so much water will come through it or flush it through.
Yeah, I need the other one. That was better.
No, let's get in there. Here you go.
Oh, your hole's coming
Cow's
off.
laughing at you. Oh no. Shh. Okay.
Get your hand right in there. Get in the water.
You should.
Right next to it. You're right next to Sing Nestle, by the way, with your hand.
Oh, that's a wet foot. I'm in soil.
Oh, you went further? Come on, Daddy, just keep on going. Just shove it in the soil.
Oh, we should have brought drain rods.
I suppose the last time I was finding random sticks. We didn't actually unblock it. Because it's a bit thicker, I think it might help.
Yeah, I think you're right.
I found that one was better.
So your professional drain rodding opinion.
See, it's getting right in. Don't lose it.
Yeah, but that's as much as it can go.
Well, you've got to get your hand right in then. Just like chuck it. That's not gushing, is it?
No, but it's nearly at the top of that pipe now.
I know, which means it'll be harder for you to do it.
No, I can't reach anymore.
What do you mean?
That's all the rod.
Well, then why isn't it gushing like you said?
Because not enough is... Just wait. Once enough water comes through, it will flush it through enough.
Do you want to come out then so that when it flushes through you won't be...
Well, I don't think it's going to be like a...
Oh. Can I have another go?
Well, I don't think there's anything there now. So it must be further up than the drain. So there's still air. We can leave this down there.
It doesn't get washed away.
It was only half full before. There's obviously still air flowing back up it. But when that gets going, that whole pipe becomes full and it just goes for it. Mind you, this ditch is filling up now. So maybe some suggestions would be good on what we do here next. So we need to dig through a channel across here and put a new pipe through, probably to the left of those trees so it's in a good gap.
No.
But instead, hey?
I was talking to Maggie.
Oh, Max.
She was growling.
But we'll come through here and instead of going horizontal, I think it makes sense to go in at depth and then have an upturn pipe, and the top of that pipe is exactly the level we want. That way it's a spillover. Nothing, well, leaves are less likely to clog it maybe. We'll have to do quite a big pipe. And then, well, maybe that's a better way for fish as well. They're not going to go through. There's no mesh basically to clog. But I don't think there's anything to unblock here. We won't be able to get down to it anyway, but the pipe's in here somewhere. If anyone's got any suggestions on the best way to do that, at some point we need to dredge and de-silt this. And the way to do that is it will be to dig a trench between the water and the ditch and actually break it through, empty it. We'll obviously have to leave a deeper channel along here just in case there are any small fish in there, and also there'll always be that constant run of water from the spring the other end.
Yeah, I think there are some fish now.
There are, yeah. Well, there must be fish in there, otherwise a kingfisher wouldn't be
It looks so
fishing.
clean now. Wish it was like this all the time.
The reason that we need to do it is because half of that depth, it's probably about 1.6 meters ish, but about half of that is just sludge and silt. So there's actually not a good water. So there's just a real lack of water movement, and it's just absolutely clogged with weeds in the summer. You can't even see the water. It looks fine now, but they just come through. So obviously there's lilies, which are absolutely fine, but a lot of that weeds that we originally had taken out with that specialist boat that came and did it, a lot of the roots didn't come up. So it looked great for a year, and then it was back to this. So if we can get down to the original base of the lake, which is like a hard base when this was dug out 40 odd years ago, then we can start from scratch. It's going to be better to stock with fish, it's going to stay cleaner, and ideally we want to put some aerators in there which will help reduce that silting, because there's a lot of leaf litter and stuff that falls in, and that's what causes it. So it's like underwater compost in there at the moment. Right, let's have a quick gander at the ditch, see what's going on. I have done this once before and it absolutely flushed through.
Where?
By the gate.
What, is it automatic?
Yeah.
Just checking. It's not that bad. Maggie, I know, but you can't come in here today.
What? The boat's not that bad?
Yeah.
Oh, poor thing.
But what?
That's terrible.
Oh.
We need to get it out and turn it upside down.
Well, should we do that now?
Oh, actually, it looks clear, but you can see just under the surface of the water, all those weeds are still there. So, oh, there's a kingfish. Eden, there's a kingfisher on the lake. Stay still, stay still. Stay still. Kingfisher, through the gate, can you see? On the reeds. Brilliant blue.
On the where?
Look through the 5-bar gate, on top of a bulrush, just behind the dog. Come here, come here.
I can't see because there's cows in the way.
Well, I'm guessing it, unless there's a bit of blue rubbish. Look through the gate, and there's a brilliant blue thing. I'm pretty sure that's a kingfisher.
Oh, yeah.
Well, it doesn't seem to mind.
I don't know whether it is a kingfisher.
Well, there's no other bird that blue. I think it
6.
is. It's just, yeah, it is, yeah, yeah.